All right. I want to give you a little detail about HAARP. HAARP technology is used to disperse and control the weather. So we know it as weather modification. HAARP uses frequency waves, frequency bands at high frequency to disperse and control any weather, including hurricanes, snowstorm, rainstorms. They can create drought in specific areas where they have this so-called Doppler radar. They're not Doppler radar. The weather service might say it's a radar antenna to detect the storm, but I think it's also being controlled and manipulated like a HAARP. They have installed these radar Dopplers everywhere in the United States. Right here, I'm going to show you the one that's currently set up south of Jacksonville International Airport and National Weather Service, as you can see right here. I'm going to put the satellite view. This is the HAARP Doppler antenna that they're using now. So this antenna could send a high frequency wave to disperse any storms, like I mentioned earlier. So this antenna, it's located near Florida Air National Guard, and it's here in Jacksonville International Airport, as you can see right here. So today, we were expecting to get snow from the snowstorm, but they're actually using the HAARP technology once again to disperse the snowstorm, to break the particles of the snow, for we will not receive any snow in Jacksonville area. So I'm going to show you the weather right now. I use Weather Pro app. I have the satellite view. As you can see right here, all the white, it's all the snow, right? And apparently right now it looks like they did turn off the HAARP. It's not postinating anymore. Well, actually, I'm sorry. It's actually postinating. As you can see right here, you see the ring around it. I am right here on the blue dot right now, and I'm picking up a high amount of frequency waves, as you can see right here. So the storm is actually, they're pushing the storm upward and west, towards the west. It's postinating at a high frequency right now, as you can see right here. I'm going to zoom into the airport where I showed you the Doppler, where it's located. So it's right here, pretty close to the National Air Guard. You can see how hot it gets, and you can see the ring. You can see the outer rings is bursting outwards towards the storm, and this is pushing the storm upward, as you can see right here. So they're controlling the weather, so we will not see any snow coming to Jacksonville. We might see some roads froze up due to the rainwater that's falling, so they call it like black ice on the road. But I just want to show you that this technology is being used to control and manipulate any weather type: snow, rain, and hurricanes. So whoever don't believe in HAARP technology, it's right here in your face. It's right here. It's pushing the snowstorm northwest of Jacksonville. So this is Jacksonville right here in the middle. And it looks like we're not going to get any snow, just rain, because they are melting the shit out of the snow with the postnation of the radiation that's postnating from the HAARP radar. I called earlier. I called them at this number. I'm going to show you real quick. call.
You have reached the National Weather Service office in Jacksonville, Florida, to report current.
My device don't support internal recording, so I did not know that. I couldn't record the conversation between me and the technician when they actually admitted that they are postinating, and I told them that they need to shut it down. I told them they need to shut down HAARP because we want to see snow. Let nature flow naturally. So the guy admitted, yeah, they're transmitting on a high frequency wave, but I could not get that in conversation because my internal Android app DU recorder does not support internal recording from conversations. It only records me speaking, but not the technician that was speaking at the time. But going back to this, I just want to let you know that it does exist. We have these in place everywhere. I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to show you this is the HAARP station right here. As you can see right here. This is the Doppler that I'm talking about. It's right here, and we have so many of them throughout the United States of America. Look at this. So they could manipulate the weather whenever they like. So they control the weather. I'm going to go back to the radar. So there you have it once again. That's proof for whoever is trying to debunk that HAARP does not exist and that HAARP has not been deployed throughout the United States. Well, it actually has been. The original HAARP started, I think, in Australia, out in the desert, and it was a big HAARP system, and I guess they were successful. And then when it was exposed, they said they were going to shut it down, which I don't know if they did. And then they implemented the new technology on these stealth mode Doppler radar antennas. And now we have HAARP throughout the United States. And as you can see right here, this is HAARP. So we're not going to get any snow. Sorry, Jacksonville. They're controlling the weather. And there you have it. Thanks for watching my video. God bless.